and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with January's Stickii Club cute subscription. Now I have opened it just to stop the rustling, but I haven't actually looked inside, so we'll delve into this together. This is January's kit and it is called Love Love Love. It is perfect for February, of course. So on first opening it, obviously with every Stickii subscription you get this wallet which has everything included. It has pocket here, pocket here, pocket here, and a pocket on the back, which is the large one. So let's have a look. So I'm not quite sure what this is. You can see sneak peeks. How do you get into this? Oh, idiot. So, oh, these are like chocolate bar cards. Are they chocolate bar cards? Oh, they're like they're single-sided, but then you can write stuff on the back. They're quite cute, white chocolate and milk chocolate. And then you've got like a vellum envelope. I like those. Excuse me, still getting over a cold. So you can see sneak peeks of each month just before it ships on the Stickii Club website. Now, full disclaimer, I am a Stickii Club ambassador. I'm not going to get these back in here. Which means you can save $5 off your third subscription. Now, the subscriptions are $12 a month. So you can get your first one for $7. And then shipping is either $1, $2 or $3, depending on where you live. It is an absolute steal for what you get. So we have these this month. And then in this top pocket here, we have this cute little bird rubber stamp. You see that? He's sweet, carrying a little envelope, and I like his little satchel. That's great for crafting. And then, I'm sure if you've watched my other unboxings, you know what this is. Basically, you put one of these down here, so that when you file this away, because it'll go in any 6-string A5 binder, then when you flick through, you know what's what. Now, you can put it on the opposite side, but I never do. I just keep it on that one. So, in the back, we have this month these gorgeous hearts. Now, these are like got glittery effect on the top. Don't know if you can see that. I'll just move it around in the light. I think you can just see the light from my window directly above this video. So, yeah, I don't think that's really helping. Can you see if I zoom in a little bit? It's got like a frosted layer of like glittery sheen. They're really cute. I like those. Then we have this one from Poku. If I murder these names, I really do apologise to the artists because I have no idea how they're pronounced. And this one's got some cute little rabbits and bears with hearts. I like this one stood under a cloud. I think he's quite cute. And the tissue box, you know, if you're ill. And he's crying. He's cute. This is my favourite one because obviously it's Happy Mail. It's little letters with a holographic gold heart on in all colours of the rainbow. So I definitely think I will get used to that sheet a lot. Then we have this one from Moonspice, and it's little froggies. Well, he actually kind of reminds me of Bulbasaur because he's got like a flower on his back. Maybe he is a Bulbasaur from Pokemon, I don't know. But he's cute, and you know, he's got his XOXO and your cute little hearts. Whoops. You can't see that one. Trying to keep them all in frame. I do apologise for me coughing. Then we have this one from Jenny, which you can find her at Jenny Illustrations. I really like this one because it's a colour combo that you don't really see very often. It's hot pink and black, and it's really, really nice. And in fact, it's cats, BBF. And then you've got a little mobile phone down here, and they're like Polaroid pictures, little flip phone. It kind of gives me like 90s vibes. I really, really like that one. Right, I'm just going to move those. Then we have this sheet, which has a holographic. There you go. If I just hold it there, you can see the sheen to it. And it's got little bunnies and different pieces on here. So that's quite cute. You can see it better if I just lay it down. Then we have this one, which again is a see-through one. And this one is from Anno at Stickii Club. And it's a little dog. He's quite cute and fluffy. It's all Valentine's based. And then last but not least, we have this sheet. However, mine has decided to... Hang on. I just need to put the stickers back where they're supposed to go, because mine have for some reason flown around, is this sheet and their little cupcakes. I'm really sad about this sheet because I am a planner and this is what I use my stickers from Stickii Club for. This sheet is raised, if you can see. It isn't raised a lot, so I might be able to get away with it, but there is definitely a curvature there. And I really like these because they're little cute cupcakes. You can't see. My lighting is awful today, I do apologise. But they are really cute and I might use them, I don't know. Or I might just gift them along, but yeah. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sheets of stickers. Now, you might be wondering, well, it's such a cheap subscription and what's the benefit? Well, if you wanted to buy these sheets individually, usually here in the UK, they are sold at £3 a sheet. Some shops do sell them at £3.50. Personally, I wouldn't buy them at £3.50 each because I think that's just a little bit too much. But if you think 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21, 24, 27, that's £27 and you're getting it for literally $12 plus shipping, which is $3. So even if you were to pay full price, it's $15, which works out to about £12 something. It's a steal. Every month is different. You can check out past unboxings on my channel. But yeah, that is the love. And I will be back soon with the January pop pack, because I did subscribe to that one too. So thanks for joining me today, and apologies again for coughing. I'm still not very well. So yeah, see you soon. Bye. Bye.